Good morning, class. Hope you are fine and staying healthy at your home. Today is Thursday, 24th of December 2020. Our topic is comprehension. Today, you have to write on your grammar notebook. You have to do this comprehension on your grammar notebook. You have to read the passage and then you have to answer the given questions below. Okay, boys? You have to do your work neatly and then you will send me your feedback. Let's start the passage. Look here. First of all, you have to look at the picture. There is a boy and there is a fox. Do you know the boy name? No. So let's read the passage. A great big fox saw Jim crying. The boy name is Jim and the Jim is crying. A great big fox saw Jim crying. A fox saw that the boy whose name was Jim, he was crying. He asked, "Sweet boy, why are you crying?" "Jim, look there. I cannot get my three goats out that carrot field." Now, Jim told the reason that why he was crying. He told the fox that I have lost my three goats into a carrot field. Okay? Fox, don't cry. Now the fox said, "Please don't cry. I will get your goats." The fox said to Jim, the boy, he said to the boy that, "Please don't cry. I will go and I will find your goats." The fox ran round and round after the three goats, but no, the goats did not come. The fox went to the field and he tried to bring the goats back. He ran after them, but the goats did not came back. Okay? The fox sat down with Jim and cried, "Boo, boo, boo." The fox come back and the fox sit with the Jim and he also start crying. Bobo. Bobo is the sound of crying of fox. Okay? Now we are done with the reading of passage. Here are some question answer. You have to read these question answer and then you have to answer me these questions. Okay? Read question number 1. What animal saw Jim crying? Who can give me the answer of this question? Read the passage and write answer here. Then question number 2. Where were Jim's got? Very easy question. Where were Jim goats? Right answer here. Then your next question is, how many goats were there in the carrot field? You have to read the passage very carefully, boys, and then you have to write answer here. Okay? How many gods were there? Yes, you all know the answer. Write it neatly in very neat writing. Okay, boys? Then it's your next question. Why did the fox run after the goat? What was the reason that the fox was running after the goats? Okay, here you have to write the answer. Write answer of the given question very neatly on your grammar notebook and then you have to send me your feedback. Okay.